pieces, and can I say the pieces that I have, I've not seen anyone else unbox on YouTube. Welcome to you, my name's Dayle and this is Dayle's Addiction. Yeah, in this video I am coming clean about what I purchased from the Takashi Murakami collaboration with Louis Vuitton Drop 1, the multicolour. Now, I have a beautiful original PM Alma from the multicolour collection. This one is date stamped 2005 and this one I purchased back in 2020 and I thought that would be it. Never thought that there would be some kind of anniversary of this collaboration. Interestingly, when I bought this bag, and I think it was about May 2020, Louis Vuitton actually had this charm released in store at the time, and I thought, isn't it uncanny that the colours match the multicolour? And it wasn't mentioned, it wasn't, I don't remember the name of this charm, but I couldn't believe that when I went into store with this bag and saw my sales associate bragging about how I'd picked up this almost vintage Louis Vuitton Alma in the multicolour, that this charm existed. I just thought that that was crazy. So I guess what I'm saying is there were signs that this was going to happen, I just didn't realise it at the time. Now, this piece is absolutely beautiful, great condition, nothing has been replaced. There's a couple of little marks on the bottom of it, but ultimately it's a piece that I tend to wear for work most of the time. Would you believe it? Because the size of it means it will fit my Remarkable, it fits all my bits and pieces, it fits my umbrella. I love it, it's perfect. And it's that little pop of unexpectedness that I typically love that completes an outfit for me. I said in a recent collaboration video with my good friend Connor from the channel The Closet by Connor that I thought this collection was going to be all talk and it was going to flop. Now I said that tongue-in-cheek because I'd already pre-ordered some things and maybe I was hoping that people were just going to back off so that those of us who, were around when the original collab came out and couldn't buy because of our life circumstances, could sweep in and get the bits that we wanted with little fuss. Well, it seems that that wasn't the case. Or was that just rumour and everybody talking about it on luxury YouTube fed the rumours to the extent that Louis Vuitton got what they wanted, which was mania and hype, so that they don't have residual stock. And isn't that a great marketing plan? So, of course, just a couple of things I want to mention before I show you these pieces. And can I say, the pieces that I have, I've not seen anyone else unbox on YouTube. So, stay tuned because I feel like these are exclusive. I'm just going to say that. Not exclusive as in nobody can have them, but I haven't seen anybody else unbox them on YouTube. So, if you have been watching all the unboxings, these pieces will be new to you, I think. So, going back to the pre-order process, I did not get invited to pre-order with the VICs. I was in Paris at the time that the pre-orders opened. When I got home, I messaged my SA and said, hey, just wondering if I could have a look at the pre-orders. Oh, I thought you were in Paris. Yes, I was, but we have internet there. So she sent me the link for the pre-orders. There wasn't too many left, she said, on the pre-order option. A couple of pieces that I picked, I wasn't allowed to pre-order them at the time. So I clicked the link, I selected the option. She said, you can't pre-order them yet. Then a few days later, she said, you can pre-order them now. So I went to the website the day of the launch and I could just put them in my wish list. I got a message from the website saying, you can now add them to cart if you want. The same time, my sales associate texted me and said, I can order them for you. So of course I ordered them through my sales associate and she texted me just a couple of days later to say they had arrived. So no drama. I asked her if they were coming with packaging. She said it depends on if they arrive with packaging because the stores have not been provided with packaging. So I thought that was interesting because the packaging thing has been a bit of an issue with this particular release. I am pleased to say that I got all the packaging except for the little card, gift card with both of my pieces. So I'm going to show you the accessory first and then the bag second. All right, now if you know what these boxes are, you might have had a little hint. The ribbon close up there, really cute. Obviously it's got the flat panda, it's got the cherry blossom, it has got the cherries, and it's got something else. I don't know what that is. What is that? Does anyone know what that is? Let me get that into focus. Let me know. This is, for those who don't know, a sunglasses box. There is a sticker, which I assume would have been attached to, oh, let's get me out of it. There we go. It would have been attached to the tissue paper, but she has kept that in, you know, its condition so that it wouldn't get torn. So yes, I got the tissue paper. Everybody's been excited about the tissue paper. I mean, I know that we love, you know, a collector's edition package, but I'm happy to say that I got this little strip of tissue paper that a lot of people didn't get. So I understand how important that is in terms of this unboxing. Inside, you can see the sunglasses box, and I wonder if you can guess which sunnies that I got. Ta-da! Not very helpful, is it? Okay, here we go. When I saw these, I had to have them because I already have this style in another colour. I got, yes, the square cat eye monogram, Murakami multicolour monogram. I'm all excited now. Sunglasses. Look at those. Look at those. I've wanted a pair of sunglasses forever. And now I have a pair of white sunglasses with the fabulous multicolour on the sides. Look how fresh they look. These are honestly, like, I'm so happy with these. As soon as I saw them, I'm like, I need those. Are they the same as my tortoiseshell ones? So here are my tortoiseshell ones. And this is a shape that really works well on me. And so there was no hesitation from me whatsoever that when I saw these, I'm like, if I can get them, I am totally buying them. And now obviously I live in a subtropical climate in Australia. Obviously, I say, if you're new here, you probably don't know that, but I do. And so sunglasses are a daily accessory come spring, summer, autumn or winter. And so for me, these are absolutely a must-have. They're part of my personal sun protection regime, and also they complete any outfit. The second piece comes in this, and it's a little bag. Yep, a little bag. Now you might think you know what this is, but I don't think you know what it is. Comes in this box. Again, we've got the ribbon, but we don't have the little gift card. That's fine. I don't get the flat panda thing anyway. It's not my vibe. It's got a little drawer. Oh, what else have we got? We've got some extra ribbon and a sticker. And we have tissue paper. Oh my God. I'm so excited to see this. Again, as per the sunglasses, when I saw this, out of everything that I saw, I had to have this. I just did. So here we go. Are you ready? Oh my God. It is the little micro Alma charm. Oh my God, look at it. I love the fact that this has all of the colours that I like on it. So let me just block myself out and get the focus here. There we go. So we've got the purple, we've got the hot pink, we've got the blues, we've got all the pretty colours on this little baby. Like, that means so much to me because obviously it's, you know, a piece of canvas, and so when you are, I guess, slicing the canvas up to make the pieces. I've just got all these stickers on here too, which is amazing. I'm going to show you inside, guys. I believe that I can put my AirPods inside of this. Okay, let's just take a moment for this gorgeous shiny hardware and this beautiful workmanship of this piece. Now I'm going to go and get my AirPods, but I want to show you this on the inside, and I want to show you with it on my big full-sized original Alma. So here is the package on the inside of the bag there. Hopefully you can see that in some detail. It's very sweet. It's got the like Alcantara kind of microfiber interior. I'm gonna get my AirPods. Ready? It even advertises on the website that that's what they're for. So we put them in, zip them up, and then we're going to attach it to the Alma. Oh my goodness me. Are you ready? Are you ready? Is that not the most perfect pairing? Now, they styled this on the new Alma, on the website. That's what I'm trying to say. They styled it with a new one, and I'm like, I think that would look even better with mine, because mine is the PM size, and I think it was a BB size is part of the collection. And so I am so stoked that this is the combination that I have. I'm gonna have to show you some mod shots, because I mean, am I living a multicolour dream? Am I? I think I am. I love that this complements what I already have. I love that it's a combination of the vintage and the new, and I love that it fits what I already have, that I haven't had to go and create a whole new look or buy a whole new bag to enjoy this. So I'm thrilled. I am so thrilled. And if you've got one of these, I would highly recommend getting this little baby to go with it, because it is the perfect combination. What do you think? Do you love it? I'm going to throw some mod shots in here so that you can see it, but tell me what you've purchased from the collection, what your favourite pieces were. Whilst I'm talking about that, one thing that I do want to put a shout out to is a couple of the Capucine. I loved the Capucine with the lilac emblem in the BB size with the multicolour interior and strap. If I had a spare $12,000 lying around and I wasn't trying to get an MS Kelly, I totally would have bought that. I think that bag is absolutely gorgeous. And I think it was a great combination of a modern Louis Vuitton style referencing the multicolour. I also loved the side trunk as well. I thought the side trunk was really beautiful. Probably a little busy for me, but I thought that it was, again, a great combination. I cannot believe they didn't do a petite malle. I thought a petite malle would be an obvious style to do, given that they did the stack of trunks and the large trunk. But, you know, the creative directors at Louis Vuitton know what they're doing, and little be it for me to say or suggest what they should do. So yeah, I'd love to know what your favourite pieces were, what you think of the pieces that I picked up. I'm super pleased with them. And yeah, what are you getting from the next collections? Let me know in the comment section down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. And please consider subscribing. I would love to see you back for my next one. Until then, ciao.